Hello there guys, welcome back to Moto Dad. How we all doing? We good? Yes. So yeah, I just popped out today, popped into CMC Motorcycles. Some beautiful bikes out here today. Hey look, you got Warwick Davis's motorbike there, look. The old Grum. But this one caught my eye. Look at that. Custom built, took him 2 years. Absolutely beautiful. The sound of that when he came in. But anyway, let's go for a little spin, guys. Oh, with a cheeky filter in again, I think. Oh, thank you, sir. Yeah, the old weather's been a bit naff, hasn't it? Not been able to get on the bike much. Well, I did go out. Did go out the other day, and got caught in a thunderstorm, lightning. Oh my days, honestly. God, that was hair raising. Well, my hair couldn't raise, got my crash helmet on, but it was yeah, not something I'll probably do again, to be honest. Can we get down here? The old MacArthur Glen designer outlet. Oh, I love it in there. God, 5 guys. There's more men than that in there, but I'll tell you, I do a lovely, beautiful, big, fat burger in there. Oh. Anyway, so I've been at home drooling over my next bike, the Husqvarna 900 Nuda. Oh my days. Ah, beautiful, beautiful bike. 36 World Championships, 37 when I get one. But oh, just I can't stop watching videos on the thing. Can we get a sneaky green? Can we get a sneaky green? We can. And straight in front, boy. Aced that. Oh, I got hit by a stick earlier. I'll tell you, that really flipping hurt. So I was going down one of the country lanes. I was doing about, it's a 60 road. I was doing 55, I think. And a stick, flipping branch, fell off the tree, smacked me in my left arm. I'm telling you, that stung to, yeah, it stung. Jeez. Good to see you branching out, Moto Dad. He's twigged on. Can I speak to your branch manager, please? Yeah, it's Moto Dad. Come out here. Why's he got a branch sticking out his eye? He's on his motorbike. Get old twigs. Oh, where's one for you? Do you does anyone here remember Worcester sauce Twiglets? Oh my days. I actually started a Facebook page on that. I think I've got about 1,500 people on there, desperate to get them back, doing petitions. Bring Back Worcester Sauce Twiglets it's called. And I started that years ago, gosh, 8-9 years ago now. And they were the best. I'm not a fan of Twiglets, the Marmite ones. I love Marmite on toast, but the Worcester Sauce Twiglets, oh my days. God, the flavouring on them, they're caked in this Worcester, but no nod, miserable old git, some of these people, and they must think, I ain't gonna have nod today, not from me. Yeah, so the flavouring on them, but I remember I had a packet once upon a time, and when I got to the bottom, I kid you not, there was a clump of flavouring that big, the size of a golf ball. My gosh, I'll never forget that day. But they were so strong, they take the skin off your tongue. Absolutely beautiful. Not having skin off your tongue, but the flavour of the Worcester Sauce Twiglets. But I just find that everything now is like the flavouring of everything. It's like, I remember cheesy quavers. They were thick, they were big. You put them on your tongue, they'd stick to your tongue, wouldn't they? And now they're all like thin and everything's all thin and weedy, isn't it? The old snowflake generation. Even the crisps are gone for snowflake. But bacon frazzles, that was another one. They used to be caked in flavour. They were really nice, weren't they? And now just hardly any flavouring. It's like someone sucked the flavouring off and whacked them in the packet. Dave, you finished sucking those bacon frazzles, mate? Yeah, all done, boy. Alright, give us a me. I'll put them in the packet. God. Old Davey's up to so much, isn't he? Get old Davey, boy. Round and round the roundabout, like a teddy bear. One step, two step, take the exit here. Round and round the roundabout. Oh, dead pigeon. Oh, I'll have that for my dinner. There's no carbs in that, is there, pigeon? What a prat. beauty of having a motorbike, all for the traffic, open road ahead. God, that feels good. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time on Moto Dad.